Wait, bakit ka pa mag-hotel kung may ganito? Sa halagang 1,999, staycation near MOA. Legit ba? So, this is Maria Casa. Low-key cozy pero high-key sulit. May Netflix ka na, may fast wifi ka pa. And dito, makikita nyo yung bathroom. Complete yan. May shower, washing machine, heater, at iba pa. Syempre, ito yung hallway papunta sa unit. And mahanap nyo sila at 15th floor, room 1545. And syempre, di mawawala yung pinagmamalaki nilang swimming pool. May playground pa, plus ang ganda ng view. Perfect for all. And kung may gusto kayong bilhin snacks or amenities, tapat lang mismo ng Alphamart yan. Tapos may kitchen ka pa kung trip mo magluto. Perfecto for dates, staycation, or concert weekends. And bro, walking distance lang to sa MOA, SM Arena, SMX, pati sa IKEA. Tapos minutes away ka lang sa NAIA, Okada, Soler, as in sobrang accessible. Resort vibe plus city life. Panalo ka dito. Kung naghahanap ka ng sulit na pag-i-stayan, ito na yun. Located siya at Shore 2 Residence, Tower 2, unit name Maria Casa, 15th floor, room 1545. Book mo na bago ka maubusan ng slots. Yeah.